What's up, my friends? John here with SoCal Outdoor Adventure, and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to look at part 2 of my Bushcraft camp kit, which involves the Reliance Outfitters Canteen system. So stick around. So this is part 2 of my new Bushcraft setup that I created for myself when I go on my adventures. And this is the Self-Reliance Outfitters Pathfinder, Self-Reliance Outfitters and Pathfinder School Canteen carry system. So on this Canteen carry system, I got a couple of different items. I do have a shoulder strap in which I do use to carry, in which I can throw basically on my back and on my shoulders. Right hand side of the bag, I do have my cup. This is my Cooksa. This is the big cup. I absolutely love this thing. Next, I've also got attached to the bag, I've also got a spoon that I use for coffee, and plus to scoop my coffee into my coffee maker. And I can also use this to eat with. I'm actually going to need that today. Now we have the Pathfinder bag and the bottle kit. So, the front pouch, I have some spreaders. What's this? Oh, well, we don't need to worry about this guy, but this is a thermocell mosquito repellent system. I have a thermocell mosquito thing at home. So we're gonna put the fish spreaders back. Next, in the front pouch, I do have some more fire tender, storm-proof strikeable matches by Yuko. I've also got this is my folding knife. This is my utility knife, extra utility knife they carry. This is going to be the Swiss Army Ranger knife. This is a great knife, by the way. I absolutely love this knife. And I've also got a small pouch here that has some fire stuff, some tinder in it. These are the Esmond cubes. I got about 3 of them in here. And I've also got a pair of nail clippers. You never know. They do come in handy. And then, of course, I've also got some kind of leather material that I can use. Not sure exactly why I have that in there. Oh, I remember. It's a small leather strap. I can use that as a strap system. I brain fart again. Last but not least, in this kit, I do have Self-Reliance Outfitters Canteen system. I've got 2 bags of oatmeal, which I'm going to have for breakfast soon. My Self-Reliance Pathfinder School water bottle. This is the nesting cup. I've also got a small stove that comes with it, the Pathfinder stove, and of course my lid that sits simply on the nesting cup. And that is everything that is inside this bag right here for the Pathfinder kit. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Right now, what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm actually going to go ahead and set up my butane stove here. I'm going to go ahead and fix me up some coffee, make me some coffee. I'm also going to make some breakfast as well because I'm starving. And just a friendly little thing here on this little butane stove. This nesting cup sits perfectly on this little stove. Oop, and I just realized I made a mistake as I'm setting this up. This little guy here. Okay, I messed up. I definitely messed it up. There we go. As my father always tells me, you can't have an adventure without having a little screw up every now and then, right? Alright, so I've got this all set up here. I'm going to go ahead and pour some water in and fix me up some breakfast. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little overview of my Canteen cook system that I'm going to be carrying with me as part of my bushcraft kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Now go outside and have an adventure. Bye.